Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to video tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how you can turn your 10 USDT into 100 USDT and even more on Bybit. We're going to look at this new coin called Hamster Kombat. The new baby in the market that has a lot of potentials, and from the look is gathering a momentum to move on. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do it to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So what you just need to do is to make sure you have a verified Bybit account for you to be successful in this trade. You will need to have a verified Bybit account, or you can use Binance as well, but I'm using Bybit for this class. Okay, so the first thing you just need to do is to navigate yourself to this spot. If you navigate yourself to this spot, you're going to choose Hamster. If you can see Hamster direct, that is okay. If you can see Hamster direct, that is okay. But if you can't, but if you cannot see Hamster direct, this is what you will do. You're going to click on this place to choose Hamster Kombat. You're going to click on this place, then you search for a coin you're looking for, which is Hamster. Okay, so let's quickly look into this. And Hamster Kombat was listed at 0.001, which is very poor, and a lot of people were disappointed about this. Okay, so it pumps to 0.01350, which is also a nice move, and it dropped here 0.0137. It dropped to this place to 0.013. Okay, from there it has been losing its value. It has lost to 0.00711, right, and so on. But let's look at what makes me really have interest on this newly coin. So from them, it has been fluctuating from 0.006 to 0.007. It has been fluctuating, right? So looking at it from the 24 hours high and the 24 hours low, and also the 24 hours turnover. It's one of the major reasons that makes me understand that this coin will definitely pump to 0.2 in the nearest future, which it won't be long. It won't be that long again. So if you are to invest on Hamster Kombat coin with just 10 USD, and believe me, you can make this 10, 100 and above in the nearest time. So looking at it, 24 hours high, it was 0.07, 24 hours low, it was 0.062, 24 hours turnover, that's roughly 12 million. You can see 12.74 million, which is the 24 hours turnover. Okay, and another reasons that makes me understand that this coin will pump in the nearest time is looking at the network. Okay, the network is one of those strong network which is called what? Tone. Don't forget, Tone, right? Tone has gained a lot of momentum in the market. Looking at its overview, in this overview, you're going to see what is its total market supply. Roughly 100 billions. which is very nice. The total market supply roughly 100 billions. Okay, you can go to each website to make more inquiry. Okay, let's see what is it all about. Hamster Kombat is a tap to earn Telegram's game where users can mine hamster coins by what? By managing a virtual crypto exchange. You see, a lot of people mined though. There are a lot of loyal miners, but they were disappointed because Hamster paid a peanut. This is what you should do now. Invest on Hamster now, and you earn a lot of profit in returns. You earn a lot of profits in returns. Okay. So let's look at it from here. If you like buy Hamster currently with like 100 USD, with like 100 USD as this rate, or let's just say 50 at this rate, you bought with 50 and you'll be given 7,645, right? You'll be given 7,600 and what? And 45. If you buy with 50 USD, you'll be given 7,645.2. Okay, 0.2. And this coin goes according to my prediction to 0.02 okay, and you want to sell the same volume, you know how much you're going to going to gain? You're going to gain 1,613, which is a very huge profit, So all you just need to do, this is like the right time for you to invest on Hamster Kombat. All right, I did this with this coin. What was that? I did this with Notcoin, and I made a huge profit. Right, I made seriously a huge profit. So all you just need to do now, without waste of time, make your own research as well, invest and make a lot of profit for yourselves. Okay, so this brings me to the end of this very class. Do not forget to drop your questions if you do have any question at the comment sections, and I will attend to you ASAP. Okay, so thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.